This is Western PA Giz. It is Sunday, January 24th for the Snowstorm in 2026. What we have here is about 4 inches on the ground. It's 7 a.m. We're going to head out, try to make it to St. Hilary Church to live stream for the shut-ins who cannot get out to see Mass. Let's see what we can do. The plow has come by several times in this area of the city of Washington. Nobody's really out today. We're just taking our time. Cannot see the holes in the potholes. Snow has let up. I think we're in a little bit of a lull here. It was very heavy about an hour ago. A lot of packed snow. See one other car on the road. What we're doing is we're heading down what would be Hallam Avenue towards the Washington High School. This is what we refer to as the most flattest route to get there. Yes, I was up early, and even when I was sleeping, I did hear the street department out between 3 and 4. They came by around twice there to the city of Washington, and since then I think they've been around 4 more times. So this particular area, this one here has just been plowed. You can actually see it on the road here. We're going to get on this road here, see how it goes. No problems here. And when we get down to Jefferson Avenue, that will be State. So we will see how the State is performing. I know they're very busy on the interstate. If you do a Google search on Pennsylvania traffic cameras, you can see the cameras on the interstate. And most of the interstates are covered. One lane looks passable. This is Hall Avenue, heading down to the stoplight at the school. Passing Walnut here, and over here on your right is the school. Now I'm sure I can get down to the St. Hilary worship site, but what we are worried about at this point in time is, can we get into the parking lot? We shall see. Or out of the parking lot if we get in. Jefferson Avenue here. It's passable. It's not great, but it's passable. Passing Hallam again. Coming up here on 2nd Street. Over here we have the old Jake's Newsstand, for those of you who remember Jake's News. And over here we have the medicine shop. Coming up on 3rd Street, which was be your Sunoco Station, Chicken Charlie's. In the old days, it used to be the German Twist Pizza and Danny's Bar, for those of you who remember that. Coming down, we're passing the Advanced Auto Parts. Right over here, Capelli's. Looks like somebody is, the Capelli people are cleaning out. This part of Jefferson Avenue seems to be a little deeper. We have someone plowing the Riley's Auto Parts. And over here, we do have the Burger King, which is open. Coming up on the 4-Star Pizza and the entrance to the interstate. And those of you who remember that 4-Star Pizza used to be Winkies at one point in time. Excuse my cough. Very cold out. We are at 17 degrees. Not as cold as yesterday. Not sure where to stop here at the stoplight. Oh boy, this windshield is a mess. Trying to get a good place to see here. I don't know, I'm just gonna go. It's not turning green, so I'm gonna go. I don't know what's going on. Up here at Wiley Avenue, next to the Crency's and the McDonald's, which does look like it could be open. I am not doing well with green lights today. I don't understand. Oh, maybe I'll get a green light now. Snow's picking up a little bit. I don't understand. Why am I not getting a green light? It's red over here. It's red over there. Okay. Jeez. Alright, we're passing up down here on the old Clark School. Coming up on the old Clark School and the doghouse. Gas is pretty much hovering around the 312, 315 mark here in Washington, Pennsylvania. Doghouse is open. The doghouse is open. People are eating. Coming up on the Cohen-Amico, turning on what would be Henderson Avenue. Another stoplight. Do it this bad boy. Oso's Pizza, currently at 7:20 a.m. is not open. Well, here's the test to see if the church is open. Not seeing a whole lot of activity at the church. Well, they did plow it, it looks like. Is that big pile of snow there? We've made it to the church, but I don't see too many people here. Stay tuned for further developments as they become available. Don't see much traffic here on Henderson Avenue, also Route 18. See if we can get out into the flow of the traffic. Nothing that way. Okay. Well, I made it back from the St. Hilary Church, but my battery died as soon as I pulled out of the parking lot. So at this point in time, we're just going to show you some of the accumulations in the neighborhood. It is about 9 o'clock, I do believe, and probably, I don't know, maybe 6 inches. Probably 6 inches. Let's go down here and look at where the plow came through. Alright, here's the plow. He came up this road here and went down this road here. So that's what that looks like there. And this is early Sunday morning around 9 a.m. Snow is very light right now, very light, not as heavy as it was earlier. So, all right, we'll come back out later and check it out, see what's going on.